So 2 nights ago, that happened and I couldn't breathe for about 30 seconds. I had a big panic attack and I figured that's no way anyone should have to go through that ever again. So I've been researching a lot of things about a vocal cord closure and ideas of how to clear it out. So there was a few ideas I just showed just then. And the bathroom's the best place to be. You can sit, you can drink, you can cough. It doesn't wake anybody else up. So that was my somewhat embarrassing bathroom episode. But I'm going to go ahead and post all this anyway, because when I experienced the first night where I woke up, coughed out, could not breathe in at all, and ran around the house stressed, panic attack, unable to get any air at all into my lungs, I thought there was something drastically wrong with me. And then I look at a few YouTube videos the next day, and that happens to a lot of people. So then, as I said, I started looking for ideas. Now, what I did was look for things like vocal cord dysfunction. I was given a name by a doctor which was called a laryngeal spasm. Probably said that wrong, but they use a lot of big words, but you just Google them and Wikipedia them, and as part of looking for breathing remedies on other websites, there were a number of ideas on there, things like poking your tongue out past your mouth, stretching your neck back, giving extension. All those ideas, I thought, well, I may as well try something, because I didn't find anything specifically for whooping cough, so any kind of breathing remedy may help. Now, I don't know if it has any physical effect at all, but mentally it helps keep me calm, and that possibly is part of the problem, that to try to actually keep calm. So I have this very bad at night. I know some people have it bad all the time. For me, it happens a lot during the night. I don't get much sleep. I set my phone timer for about 45 minutes, and I try to wake myself up every 45 minutes and go to the bathroom and gargle and stretch and try to clear so it doesn't become too bad. It makes for a lot of broken sleep. But, well, I mean, anything that can help. I was amazed that there doesn't need to be any kind of descriptive remedies or helpful guidance about physically what to do when you're having one of these attacks, other than, try to keep calm. But, what can you do to do that? Anyway, I'll just put one more note on the end of this video, which is a link to the website, which is the doctor in the UK that I spoke to, which I think you should read everything on this website. It's a really good starting point. And maybe email that doctor as well and ask for some advice. But researching breathing difficulty, coming up with your own tactics, it's got to be something to help. This is a horrific thing, and I can't imagine as a parent trying to manage children with this, trying to help children through this. It's hard enough as an adult, and trying to deal with it and keep calm yourself. Anyway, a few ideas from me. Good luck.